The Taveta Nature Park in the southwest of Latvia is an exciting and eco-friendly destination for tourists. The park offers several pure nature experiences, but also theme attractions suitable for all the family. Once a year, the park celebrates the historical and cultural heritage of the region by hosting a Zemgalian festival. It offers tourists unique insights into traditional arts and crafts, an outstanding event for the whole family.
When you are in holiday also with children, it's very beautiful to have the possibility to show them the nature, being that we live in a big city, and often also for us and for the kids it's difficult to see something protected.
Another attraction is a walk through the native recreation park. This area is calm and allows for perfect relaxation. The lookout offers a wide view over the landscape with its hills and valleys. The park puts great effort into protecting nature, for example with programs for school classes.
Skolēniem mēs piedāvājam vides radošās darbnīcas, mācību ekskursijas un nometnes, kuru laikā šī tēma tiek Tērvidas dabas parkā izzināta un mācīta.
Amongst old pine trees lies the country park with the fairy tale field and dwarf forest. It is the most suitable place for families and children to explore nature and meet fantastic characters. Like the pine forest witch, the mistress of the wood treats every visitor with herbal tea and tasty sweets.
Tāpat mēs stāstam visu par kokiem, par dzīvniekiem, lai viņi saprot, cik tomēr tas viss ir vajadzīgs dabai un mums visiem. Ja? Tātad līdz ar to, es domāju, ka viņi aiziet no šejienes, protams, viņi visu to jau zina, bet aiziet no šejienes ar vēl lielāku pārliecību, ka mums tomēr tas viss ir jāsauc.
The Taveta Nature Park allows natural experiences with a broad range of activities. The diversified landscape with parks and lakes makes a great destination throughout the year for all members of the family.